In this video, we're going to chart the Gadsden School District proficiency data for 3 different years. So the first thing I want to do is filter my data so that I can chart just the bit I want to chart, and we're going to do the reading scores for 3rd grade. So I'm going to select the 3rd row, switch to the Data tab, and choose Filter. This adds a drop down to every column so that you can sort or filter the data by that column. So I'm going to deselect all and choose just all students. I've already completed this step for the 2008 and 2009 data, as you can see, and I've filtered it to the same set of data. Okay. The next step is to create the actual chart. So I'm going to select the titles and the values for the 3rd grade student. And then I'm going to select the Insert tab and choose the Column 2D Cluster Column Plot. Okay. This creates a basic chart for you where you have your percentages on the left and your beginning, near proficiency, proficient, and advanced on the bottom as labels. And then the data is, of course, in the bars. But I want to change this Series 1, right? I want it to be meaningful to say 2007, 2008. So make sure you have your graph selected, choose Select Data, choose the series, click Edit, and then name your series 2007, 8, and click OK. As you can see, the graph has updated to include 2007, 2008. The other thing we want to do is add the 2 other years worth of data for reading on 3rd grade. So I need to click the Add to add a new series. So I'm going to name that 2008-9. And then down here in the series values, I'm going to click on the icon to select my values. So I switch to the 2008-2009 tab or worksheet, and then I'm going to select just the values this time for the beginning, nearing, proficient, and advanced. Once you have it selected, you click the icon again, and you're ready to hit OK. And now you have the 2 different data sets graphed. Okay. Then we're going to do that one more time for the 2009-2010. So add series, name it 2009-10. Choose the icon, switch to the 2009-2010, select the values, and click OK. And now you have all 3 sets of data graphed. Okay, so we're done. I'm going to click OK. The other thing that we might want to do to this graph is to move it to its own page. So I'm going to right-click on the graph and choose Move Chart, and select to move it to 3rd grade reading. And click OK. So now it's in its own standalone sheet. The final thing I want to do to this chart is to add a title to it. So I'm going to switch to the Layout view and click on Chart Title and Above Chart. And then if I click inside here, I can delete what it currently says and change it to 3rd grade reading. Okay, and that is it. I'm going to save my graph, or save my thing, and we have completed creating a graph. Thanks for watching.